For the last few months, Republic TV has been telling you that Parambir Singh, the former Mumbai Police Commissioner, has been in Chandigarh. In fact, we were the first channel to tell you that he could be hiding in Chandigarh. For the last 231 days, he hasn't been seen in public, and he has now confirmed that he is very much in Chandigarh. We told you he was in India, but now it's confirmed he's in Chandigarh, and that he could be travelling to Mumbai soon. Let me go across straight to our correspondent joining us live from outside his residence. Amandeep is there. He's been there for the last few weeks and months tracking Parambir Singh's movements. In fact, he's wanted for extortion cases. 5 FIRs have been filed against him. Let me go across to Amandeep. Amandeep, what's the movement you're seeing there? We're hearing that he could even travel from Chandigarh and come to Mumbai.
Well, Ranjan, the point is that possibility hideout of Parambir Singh is Chandigarh very much, and right now we are standing outside of that residence where the possibly Parambir Singh was hiding. And in fact, few weeks back, Parambir was very much here in at this residence and even staying in Chandigarh. This was confirmed by the domestic help of this residence. This was basically the residence of Parambir's brother, and in fact, he was also staying after facing so many cases in Mumbai. So even now, when it was confirmed that certainty is there that Parambir is hiding in Chandigarh, so this is the only place, his hideout, where he can possibly staying, and this address was mentioned in Chandiwal Commission, even in the records of Mumbai Police investigation as well. So this is the place from where Republic team first got the confirmation that yes, Parambir Singh used to stay here, and even everyone in this house, even the domestic help, even the family members, everyone known to Parambir Singh, they knows that Parambir Singh is the person who is staying here. But now, when after 231 days there was no clue where he is, all of a sudden information surfaced that Parambir Singh is still in Chandigarh and he will soon join investigation when travelling to Mumbai from Chandigarh. So these kind of information getting the Republic confirmation that yes, Parambir Singh stayed here. His one of the hideouts is in Chandigarh, where we are standing outside, and we are tracking, Niranjan, each and every movement outside this residence, that we are not going to miss whenever the Parambir will step out from this house. If he is present inside or locked himself in the rooms of this house, we are going to track him. We are going to spot him on the camera. We will ask questions why he was hiding from 231 days, why he is not able to join the investigation, what is the reason behind this. But so far he is not coming in front of the cameras, neither he has joined the investigation.